Namaskaram, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. I am Kartika, disciple of Srimati Priya Manoj and part of Bharatanjali Abu Dhabi family for the past 3 years.
Namaskaram. My name is Neha and I'm a disciple of Srimati Priya Manoj. We have been learning dance under her guidance for the past 3 years.
I started afresh at the age of 28 and I wanted to learn Bharatanatyam in depth. With God's grace, I met Priya teacher. The way she teaches the dance in so professional and an organized manner that you will fall in love with the art.
Priya ma'am, with her vast knowledge and experience in performing arts, translates all her teachings onto her students and brings out the best in them.
When you join Bharatanjali, you should be ready to give 200% to match up with the efforts that Priya teacher gives us. She always proves that age doesn't matter at all and it is never too late to start. The best part is you would be put into the basics first. When I joined, I was part of the junior most batch and learned all the basic adavus first, then moved to the higher levels of adavus and gradually to the items. Last year, I was part of Bharatanjali's production, Shanmugodayam, and it was a great experience in itself. Priya teacher is full of energy and she keeps motivating us at all times.
She creates opportunities for her students to perform various dance forms on different platforms so that their experience and exposure grows with no boundaries. With that in mind, Bharatanjali coined Prayukti, a platform exclusively for the students of Bharatanjali, right from the beginner level till the advanced level, to showcase their talent.
Bharatanjali gives each and every child an environment to learn and grow. With this idea in mind, Prayukti is brought in for students to showcase their talent in addition to what they have learned in class. Prayukti instills holistic development in each and every child as it gives them an experience of the stage, starting from how to manage the stage, the makeup, the costumes, the choreography, choice of songs, and it gives an idea which gradually trains them to become a performer.
Prayukti has been successfully conducted in the past 3 years and was well accepted by the students, parents, and everyone who witnessed it. The plan to conduct Prayukti 2020 was in the making. However, with the recent turn of events and the unprecedented times that we all are going through, conducting Prayukti was going to be a challenge. And that's when the idea of an online platform gave birth to Natya Mandapam.
This year as well, the plan to organize Prayukti was ongoing, but due to the current challenging times when we all need to confine ourselves at home, conducting an event was tough. So we have decided to bring the stage to your home, Natya Mandapam, an online stage for students to showcase their talent. But this is even special because the choice of songs, choreography, the makeup, the costumes, everything is done by the students. So we all are excited to have a view of the innovative ideas that they have to bring in.
As a dancer, the one thing that you wish for is a stage or a platform to perform on in front of an audience. And that's exactly what Natya Mandapam will provide. Though it was conceived as an alternative to the real events, Bharatanjali plans to continue it even after life gets back to normal. Being an online platform, Natya Mandapam will be live all year round. I, on behalf of other students of Bharatanjali and on my personal behalf, would like to thank Priya ma'am for initiating this new venture and also for inspiring us to keep performing even when the times are tough.
As learning never stops and it should not stop in any circumstance, we hope that Natya Mandapam nurtures the talent of each and every student.
I'm sure you all must be excited, just like me, to perform on this new stage. So I request you all to grab this opportunity and be a part of Natya Mandapam.
I request all the Rasikas and viewers to encourage and support our students. Your love and valuable comments will help Natya Mandapam to grow in future. So stay tuned for more updates and innovative ideas of our students on Bharatanjali Facebook page and YouTube channel. Thank you.
I wish Natya Mandapam and Bharatanjali all the very best. Thank you.